guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a request video for you. I had a viewer write me and ask if I would show how to do a coffee bar or a hot chocolate bar, and then she said she'd really rather see a coffee bar. So I said sure, why not? So I'm going to show you two ways. One is if you have a drink station and the other is if you don't. So let me flip the camera around and let's start doing our drink station. Okay guys, this is my idea for a coffee bar if you have a drink station, like a cart that you would put it on or something like that. If you have one that is not like on your countertop, this is how I would do it. First of all, I just naturally you can see that it's still decorated for Valentine's Day, but I went ahead and just used this little stand that I got at Target's Dollar Spot. I think it was $3 or $5. I'm not sure. I've had it for quite a while. And I just I'm going to combine a tea and coffee station on this one. But I just have some caramel sauce for your coffee and then some classic hazelnut, sugar-free, for your coffee. And then I like to put some honey in my tea. I think it's good for you. And then here's a little bit of cinnamon in just a little container that I put there on top of that. And I like to elevate it because I think it makes it look more interesting if you elevate it. And then right here are some cups from the Dollar Tree. They're to-go cups. And you get 5. And you get the little lids that go with them, and you can always set them out, and that way if you have company come over and they want to take a to-go cup, they can. Or if you are wanting to run out of the house really quick, and you can just grab a cup and go. Now this right here is just from the Dollar Tree. It's just a little wire basket, and it makes it look a little farmhouse, a little more relaxed. And I just put different hot chocolates and teas, the Tazo green ginger, and then the Bigelow orange and spice. And then I have some chai lattes, apple cider, and coffees down in there. And you can just pick up what you want and take it to your Keurig. Then down here I have this. I bought this at TJ Maxx. I think it was like a $2 something, and I just keep my sugars in here, the domino and then the raw sugar. And then these cups, I purchased those at Big Lots. I think it's good if they match, and you could always have more than 2 and just set them down on the bottom shelf of your drink cart or whatever. And then right here I have these little stir straws, and I just put them in a glass from the Dollar Tree. I think it looks really nice. And then we're back to my Valentine peanuts and my napkins for Valentine's. And then my little Debbie Nutty Buddy bars. But as you can see, this makes a really nice bar cart, drink cart, whatever you want to call it. And everything is very easy, and then it's moving. It just has this flow to it, which I really like. And it's very easy to get. And I think, and if you had, like I didn't want to put a sign up over mine, but right in here you could put coffee bar or something like that, and paint something from the Dollar Tree, and then put like one of those little silver-like platters, and then with the chalk paint, and then write coffee bar there or coffee time or something like that, and hang that above that. I thought that would really be nice, but I didn't want to do that since it's right here in the dining room next to my other picture. But this is one look, and I think it's really cute, and it's very convenient to do all this. And if you even had, I couldn't find any of those little stir spoons that had the chocolate on it. I could have made my own, but I didn't want to have to go out and buy any more chocolate melts. But you could always just dip your spoon down in the chocolate melts, put it in the freezer, let it harden, bring it back out, dip it back down in until you got it covered as much as you wanted, and then wrap it in a real pretty bag and then put it on here. I think that would be pretty as well. So now I'm going to go show you what I would do for a coffee bar or a coffee station if I didn't have this drink cart. So I'll be right back. Okay, so another option is if you don't have like a drink cart, you can always just put it on your countertop. And what I did here is I just put naturally my cup under the Keurig and my spare, and then I put the to-go drink cups over here, and I put some napkins right here, and then I still elevated the little additions for your coffee or your tea. And then I put the little straws down here still. I think it looks really good. And the sweetener here. And then I just moved that over here and I left the desserts back there. But you could put scones or donuts or anything like that that you wanted if you wanted to have a little coffee bar. And you could also store your teas and coffees up above. But I have dishes in there, so that's why I don't do it. Now another thing, if you didn't want to use this, you could definitely just take one of these little silver containers from the Dollar Tree, put you some hot chocolate right in the back here, and naturally I would do, if I was doing just a totally hot chocolate bar, I would do marshmallows. I think that would be really good. And then go ahead and put some of your little things for your Keurig right there. Pull that up a bit. It's hard to do this one-handed. Anyway, and then you could just put that like that. And I think that looks really nice too. And maybe put the sugar over that way. So you can do it that way, or you can do it with the wire basket. Either way, the wire basket came from Dollar Tree as well. So I hope this was beneficial. I hope that it answered some questions. But there's actually whatever you want to do is fine. I mean, it's just up to your style, your taste. And once again, right here, you could hang a sign up back in here that says coffee bar or coffee shop is open, something like that. And I think it would be super cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.